Amid the government and companies alike stepping up to address declining birth rates in the country, there is one company in particular that has been making the headlines recently for its baby bonuses. To explain why, our economics correspondent Lee Soo-jin joins me. Hi, Soo-jin.
Good to be here, Jung-min.
First of all, can you tell us what this company is doing to boost birth rates?
Well, it's safe to say that no expenses are being spared in their efforts to boost the birth rate. Booyoung Group, a construction company, last week paid a whopping 100 million won, or $75,000 for every child that its employees, both male and female, had since 2021 as a baby bonus. The total amount given for the 70 babies born during that period came to millions of dollars. And it plans to continue giving employees 100 million won in cash for every child they have. Bae Jun-bum, who has worked at Booyoung Group for nearly a decade, became a father for the first time in August last year. And he was just as surprised as anyone when he heard the rumors that his company would be providing 100 million won as a baby bonus. This meant a lot to him because he, as do many others, have been worried about the high costs of raising a child in South Korea. He says that the baby bonuses have already led employees to become more open to the idea of having children. Let's take a listen.
Costs of education and real estate are higher here in Korea. But now, thanks to the baby bonuses, colleagues around my age have started to plan for a baby and others are preparing for a second.
Well, that's interesting, but I hear there is a tax issue here. Why are the company and its workers have to pay taxes for this?
Well, it's actually the exact question that pretty much everyone's been asking recently. So Booyoung spending millions of dollars on baby bonuses has shed light on a major flaw in the tax code in South Korea, namely that either the company or its employees will have to pay large amounts in tax. Here's what the same employee said.
I'm part of the accounting team, so I saw firsthand how the baby bonus was deposited. And when the 100 million won baby bonus was also directly deposited into an account under my own child's name, it felt like a dream. But now the tax burden may fall on my child.
If the baby bonus is considered as part of the employee's income, an employee whose annual salary was originally around 50 million won, or around $37,000, will end up in the 38% tax bracket because of the added baby bonus. The employee will subsequently have to pay taxes amounting to around 38 million won. But the company will be able to receive tax deductions as employee income counts as necessary business expenses. But if the baby bonuses are classed as a gift given by the company, the employee will only have to pay a gift tax rate of 10%, which will come to around 10 million won. And this is also why Booyoung deposited the baby bonus into the bank accounts under the names of the children of the employees.
And is there any way to alleviate these tax burdens?
Right, so many experts are actually weighing on what the best solution is. And President Yoon Suk-yeol also emphasized on Tuesday this week that the government will come up with measures to support companies that are making efforts to boost birth rates. Let's take a listen.
최근 파격적인 규모의 출산장려금을 비롯해서 저출산을 극복하기 위한 기업 차원의 노력이 확산되고 있어서 정말 반갑고 고맙게 생각합니다. 기업의 노력을 더욱 활성화하기 위해 세제 혜택 등 다양한 지원 방안을 신속히 마련하겠습니다.
When tax experts said that one such incentive that the government can provide is to look at the baby bonuses given by the companies as a gift. Here's what he said.
The entity receiving the bonus is the baby, which means that it should be seen as a gift. The tax law should also be revised so that the gift tax exemption amount is increased. That's the only way birth rates will go up.
As for the company, the expert said that the corporate tax law should be revised so that the baby bonuses are regarded as deductible business expenses. Another way to mitigate tax burdens is to increase the current tax-free threshold for baby bonuses to 100 million won. The Finance Ministry is expected to announce measures in early March that will make sure that both companies and their employees will not be saddled with additional tax burdens due to baby bonuses. And while financial incentives alone won't boost birth rates, making sure that these companies receive tax benefits will provide a foundation for other policies in the future.
All right, thanks for your report today, Soo-jin.
Thanks for having me.